One of my favorite things to do with Dakota Chiefs is just boil them. And if you just had a potato like that, and I'm thinking about potato salad or just warm potatoes, can be just above room temperature or reasonably warm, but what you want to do is just like that. The potato itself is quite delicious, but if you put the oil and either vinegar or lemon juice with it now and let it soak in while it's cooling, you get the most incredible flavoured potatoes. So let's do some salt, pepper, so just basically seasoning. Then just the juice of a lemon. And if they're not warm, it won't soak into the potato, but as long as they're warm, it's nice and porous. I'm going to actually even crush them a little bit more. You end up with what I think is the most fantastic potato salad ever. So, lots of olive oil. You'll see it soak into the potato. So essentially I've dressed it. Think of it in terms of a potato salad. Sure, you could put mayonnaise through it if you wanted, but I really find that this is much lighter and you get all the flavours coming in. A bit more pepper. Then I'm going to grab a fork and just sort of slightly crush a few of them. I'm not sort of mashing them, I'm just sort of crushing them, and that's going to allow all that beautiful oil. See all those bits of potato thickening the oil? So it's kind of self-sourcing potatoes. And then these beautiful mint leaves. Super fragrant. Another thing that's really delicious to add is just some freshly chopped spring onions, because again, and you can see actually what's happened there is lots and lots of that oil has been soaked up by the potatoes. So the spring onion adds a beautiful freshness, a bit of crunch. So there I'm going to just whiz that around again. And then all I need to do is spoon it up. And this can actually be served as a potato salad at room temperature, and it's super delicious. You can actually peel them if you wish, but I find the skin's really tasty, and I'm sure if you delved into it, it's probably one of the most nutritional part of the potato, so why waste something that is that good? At home I often put Chardonnay vinegar on instead of lemon, or sometimes red wine vinegar and olive oil. Again, as a dressing, more olive oil, you can never use enough of this stuff. And once more, a little bit of pepper to finish. Oh, the mint just smells fantastic. I know that between that beautiful sweet flavour of the potato, that great texture that it has, the skins, and olive oil and lemon juice, that is going to be incredibly simple but amazingly satisfying.